Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Lena. We're happy you're here today.
Today's topic is talk about your job in English. We will use easy sentences for beginners.
Yes, very easy, very useful. You can use these sentences at work, with friends, or in interviews.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes. You're learning. You're doing great.
Let's start with a very common question.
The question is, what do you do?
Listen first. What do you do?
Good. Now listen again. What do you do?
Now, how do we answer?
You can say, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver.
Short and simple. Let's practice together.
I am a teacher.
Good job. I am a student.
Nice. You're improving already. Now let's talk about where you work.
You can say, I work in an office. I work in a shop. I work at a school.
Listen carefully. I work in an office.
Again, I work in an office.
Good. Now another example. I work at a hospital.
Great sentence. Very clear.
Remember, in an office, at a school or hospital.
That's a great question many learners ask.
Now let's talk about what you do at work.
Easy sentences again.
You can say, I answer emails. I talk to customers. I help people.
Listen first. I help people.
Listen again. I help people.
Nice. Very natural English.
Here's another one. I work on a computer.
Good job if you said it with us. Now, let's talk about time.
You can say, I work in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I work at night.
Listen. I work in the morning.
Again, I work in the morning.
Great. Simple and useful.
You can also say, I work 8 hours a day.
That's a